Welcome to Magical Moments with Artemis. You are invited to unplug from the economy, if that serves you. So the basis for this, the inspiration for this is Jaden Rose Phoenix. She has a book out right now with Limitless in the title, so I have to give her a nod. But in her book, she says that if the economy isn't working for you, if it serves you to do so, to unplug from it. And the flip side of the coin is if the economy is thriving, you know, and it's doing well, and that serves you, by all means, plug in. But if the economy isn't happening, simply unplug yourself from it. In her book, she goes on to talk about how she did in fact do this and what the effects were. I, in particular, I can be used as your reference if you don't have a reference. I'm happy to be your reference for that as well. I want to say at the end of 2007, and I might be off by 1 year, so forgive me. But let's say the end of 2007, the economy starts being funny. And from November of that year till March of 2008, February of 2008, like everyone, you know, I'm kind of not sure how I lived through that period in time. But then from February of 2008, clear on through, I want to say till November of 2008, what was going on with the economy persisted, yet I was unaffected. That year, I made the most money I ever did as a massage therapist. And seriously, every single day, multiple times a day, I kept hearing people, oh, the economy this, oh, the economy that. And I'm thinking, what are you talking about? Because that's not my reality. That's not the experience of reality that I'm having. So, I, among others, are living proof that the economy can do one thing while you are doing another that's not on track. And that's a good thing. So, I'm inviting you to drop in to the quantum field, to the 0 point field, whatever name you give it doesn't matter. What matters is that you are having a somatic experience. You know, not you think, you know that you are accessing that pool of infinite possibilities. So we're doing that now. Feel what it feels like to give yourself permission to have the audacity, and I'm going to say it, to have the balls to unplug yourself from the economy. Do you know what level of sovereignty, of personal sovereignty it takes to unplug yourself from the mass hypnosis? Not many are willing. So I'm grateful that you're willing to at least be here and entertain the possibility. Feel that. Feel your energy unplugged from the economy. And how does that feel? Does it feel light? Does it feel heavy? Do you feel guilty? Do you feel anxious? Do you feel excited? What are you noticing? So now we've got you and your personal economy. Okay. So from within quantum states of all possibility, of infinite possibility, Let's touch the highest vibration. Touch the highest vibration for our own personal economies. The highest vibration for our own personal economies. The highest vibration for our own personal economies. Woo! Okay. Something move, guys. So what are you noticing in that movement? So now I'm just feeling like my desire is to hold blessings. To hold blessings for all of us, for all of our economies. And it's like I'm seeing this grid of light and all of our economies are interconnecting to create this new economy that's filled with beauty and light, whose foundation is high vibration. And a willingness to own your own sovereignty. Your willingness to pull out of the mass hypnosis. Your willingness to root in, bring this from the crown. Yeah, bring it through as an idea from your crown, out through all the chakras, through your root, and root this into the earth. The beautiful earth whose kundalini is rising. The beautiful earth that's in its transformation process. Rooting this in. Whew. So, blessings, giggles, and joy for all of our economic reform, that we anchor the light, that we are the ones we've been waiting for, that we are willing to be a model for other persons to have a reference and to recalibrate themselves and to become a part of this growth and expansion on a universal level. Thank you for watching.